Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will show you electrical wiring arrangement for the C-type EPS cutting machine we export to Europe. Compared with the regular EPS cutting machine, as you can see from the video, all the wires are hidden inside of the square tube and will not cause friction on the ground due to cutting frame moving all the time. Friction of wires on the ground will lead to sparks, which is an unsafe condition for the EPS foam factory. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.